a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness, fame up.
Hello, I'm going to enjoy this food I prepared this morning. So this is Akpl3 from Volta region, Ghana. And I made this food with kotomre sauce with fish, dry fish, smoked fish from Ghana. So without further ado, let's enjoy this food. I like to talk to you guys while I'm eating. So yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoy this food with me. Okay, I love eating this amazing food. So bon appetit, bon appetit. Because I have a red oil, I need to make sure I don't stain my shirt. Oh, look at this. I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. I just want to let you guys know I appreciate you for taking your time to watch my videos. Share the videos, watch the playlist, keep watching the videos. It's very, very important. Keep watching. I mean, it's made with cassava and condo. Only Banku is just condo, but Akpl3 is made with cassava and condo. So there's no meat in this stew. It's all fish based. It says smoked herrings, smoked mackerels. I love fish so much. Maybe it's just because I was born by the coast. Please, can you do me a little favor? Can you let me know in the comment section where you're watching the video from? Or if you know anybody from Volta region of Ghana, or somebody who's from a part of Africa that it's like this. Normally when I'm eating in the evening, I have like a gin or local drink, but because I work and it's lunchtime, I have to make sure I have this Schweppes soda water, tonic water. How hungry are you right now? I'm eating, but I'm still hungry. Oh, it's almost finished. This food is delicious. I think next time I need a grilled chicken or grilled lamb or beef in this stew, or maybe we should have okra soup with meat fish mix. Do you like eating mixed meat with fish? Please do let me know. That's the fish. Oh, look at that. There's a chili in there, which I'll probably buy. That's my last fish. You know what? I'll leave a little tiny bit of Banku. Now I mean Akpl3, and I'll suma it. So that's my fish. My last remaining fish. I'm making sure my shirt is not staying because I want to change. Now that's my best part of this meal. It was amazing eating with you guys. Please like the video, comment, let's hit 2,000. Please, let's hit 2,000 subscribers. I know you guys are amazing. Share the videos on YouTube. Let's make amazing videos. That's for you. For those who are watching who haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. Nothing, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Please subscribe now. Thank you. See you in the next one. That's for you guys.